Dear viewers, hope you are well and you are enjoying very much this channel lessons. Today I will discuss with you another important lesson. Today's lesson, morality and values, difference and relationship between morality and values. Okay, let's go. What is morality or morality? Morality from the Latin word moralitas, meaning character, decency, right conduct, is the decision, response, distinction and separation of good or right and bad or wrong matters. Morality can be called a normative standard which is based on the social norms, traditions, culture, religion, etc. of the different religions. In many cases, morality is also defined as the welfare of the world as a whole. According to Cambridge International Dictionary of English, morality is a quality which is related to good behavior or bad behavior, transparency, honesty, etc. Everyone gives it more importance than law or any other matter. Jonathan Haidt says morality can arise from these three things: religion, tradition, and human behavior. Therefore, in simple words, morality refers to human virtue and good behavior. Now, I'll discuss with you values. What is values? Generally speaking, values are our internal moral qualities. Values teach us to call what is good, good, and what is bad to be bad, and these values are created depending on the prevailing rules of a society or country. The values are different depending on the society or country. Values refers to the evaluation of a subject in the light of a person's or a group's ideas, thoughts, beliefs, and feelings, etc. These ideas, thoughts, and beliefs are not developed in a day. Values are knowledge, skills, behavior, and beliefs. Values that are once created do not change easily. Sociologist R.T. Pufeni said in his book Sociology, the idea of the members of the society about good, bad, right, wrong, desirable, undesirable things is called values. Therefore, it can be said that the idea of society, people, good and bad, right and wrong is basically called values. Difference and relationship between morality and values. Morality and values are part of a person's behavioral perspective. Morality and values are not distinct but both are interrelated. Morality is the meaning of a set of good qualities. The consciousness that emerges in a person's mind about an action by acquiring morality is called values. One's knowledge, wisdom, and conscience can be called one's own or individual's sense of worth. Example: always speaking the truth, not taking bribes, not taking dishonest paths. These are your morals. These will be your values when you do them. And suppose you are doing a job and a person briefs you for that job. Your morals have taught you not to take briefs, remembering that you did not take briefs because your conscience will be one of your values. Dear viewers, I hope you will be benefited from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.